Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KZN Podcast. If you are watching or if you are listening today, we are guys, please do remember to watch the advert. Please also press the screen, like press like, it's free, it's mahala, you have nothing to lose. Press it or like, please, ukuze ama-video ethu abonwe nabanye abantu. Today we're speaking about Julius Malema, the lead of EFF, who was trending for the fact ukuthi umshado wakhe with the wife usuphelile ngo-2024. Wake izolo-ke bekudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs and i-Pirates, and Julius Malema decided to take his family out to show or to prove the public or the masses out ukuthi-ke yena nomfazi wakhe sebehlukene. Ama-rumors-ke singathi aqala uMosakhaula, who did mention the fact ukuthi uJulius Malema uyacheata no-Onthathile osemthengela umuzi Hyde Park, waphinda wamthengela imoto G-Wagon. Umsake normally uMosakhaula-ke ngabanye abantu abaziwa ukuthi they don't usually lie most of the times. If esho into usuka isho ngoba iqiniso. So uMosakho uphinde wa accuse uJulius Malema ukuthi umthumelela abantu ukuthi bamnikeze imali ukuze angakhulumi. Wasethi uJulius wasethi uMosa, cha ke Julius, ngiyayibona imali yakhe impela, kodwa ke I am going to speak ngoba I wanna speak. Julius Malema ke have not been seen with his wife for quite some time, and there was no celebration in 2025 of their anniversary. And uJulius Malema ke waqede futhi waya ku social media wadelete iy'thombe zankosikazi wakhe nokungaziwa ukuthi what was the reason. Ezinye izinto ke lezi zisipaka ama-rumors of the fact ukuthi they have broken up. However ke izolo ke uJulius Malema uthatha ithuba ke lokuthi cha ake nje as a stadium nonkosikazi wakhe and all his kids, ngaphandle kwalena ke kuthiwa uyizele ngaphandle obviously bengekho, so bekhona the son yakhe endala kanye nezingane ezizalwa uMantha, the current wife, ezo2, and bonke bedlubhe iy'ngubo ze-Orlando Pirates bebukeka beneme impela, beshaya isandla bejabulile nethi Pirates iwinile. Baningi-ke bathi uJulius Malema is doing a damage control, uyazi ukuthi akusekho lutho and usehlukene, but anyway, and obviously he just wanted to prove or to try and discredit uMosa. Ngokusho kwabantu bathi kungenzeka ukuthi uhambile wacela uMantha umbiza wathi akeze ebholeni ukuze bazame ukufihla leli hlazo. Julius Malema has been going through a lot last year. Siyazi ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu, who was also his business partner in the EFF, left, kanjalo no Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu left, wayesesala-ke nabafanyana nje abacale kwiphathi yakhe. There were so many things, and uphindeweke waboshwa futhi-ke waboshelwa lecala lakhe lesibhamu ukuthi njengamanje uselinde isigwebo sakhe. So kuningi that he's been or currently going through, and-ke nama-rumors okuhlukana-ke nomfazi wakhe. Asazi-ke ukuthi uzohamba-ke ayigcine lento yakhe ukuthi kuze kuthini, but eventually we will know the truth if they are playing a happy family or they have really decided to reunite. Please make sure that you subscribe and you press like and you leave a comment. Have a great Sunday.